Cheers to the lovers. It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Twana King Intlo Bafethu. It's going down, it's going bananas. Welcome to King Ginger TV. Bafethu. You are talking to the CEO of the channel, King Ginger and King Ginger TV mtanami. It's about lovers, it's about relationships, it's about people breaking up. I'm helping people ukuthi bahlukane, angisakufuni. It's whereby I give people a platform to break up. If kunomuntu ojola naye and uyabona ukuthi relationship yenu ngathi iyatekateka, come to me, tell me more. Let's do it. Let me help you break up with your partner ngokushesha. Ungalokhu ube nenkinga. South Africa, ngiyanicela, hlukanani. Lo muntu ojola naye mawukuthi uyabona ukuthi kunama red flags, hlukanani. Mawukuthi umuntu okushaya ngempama kayi1, hlukana naye. Break up South Africa because you are busy monitoring ama relationships ay fake uzogcina nibulalana. Break up, angisakufuni. King Ginger ngikhona, letha indoda yakho, letha noma ubani. Ungalethi husband la cause nama ngishadile. I can't deal with married people. But if you guys are still joling umjolo nje, bring them here. Nami ngisayintwana encane, ngisasemjolweni, so ngiyakwazi ukuhlukana. Take me straight to the couples. Hey yo, boo! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimanje umabuyo bampolunye uhlasa. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, break it up now. Hey, what made you go to We are back at it, Mzansi, and it's about that time. It's another day, another breakup. In South Africa, ama-stats athi every day kunabantu abaqoma nayo. Every second kunomuntu othi yes to someone. Every millisecond kunomuntu othi it's over, it's over, it's over. Aqede lapha bhonywe. Come clean. Wazani la showing? Umtshele light live 99 umuntu wakuthi it's really over. Angakwenzi lutho futhi. Bafowethu, ningahlali kuma relationship nihlukumezeka. Ningahlali kuma relationship nidelelana. Ningahlali kuma relationship nidliwa. Hlukanani. South Africa, ngiyanicela, hlukanani. Mawuthi ubone lo mjolo wakho ngathi awubalance, ngiyanicela Mzansi, hlukanani. Mayingasalungi into yenu, ngiyanicela Mzansi. Hlukanani. My name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Ngiyinxusa labantu ekumele bahlukane. Ngithi kini hlukanani, you'll thank me later. Nangu my sister uyithathile advice yami nayo ufuna ukuchaza isathi story sakhe. Ithi ngimsondeze asitshele igama, asitshele nanokuthi uzohlukana nobani. Sondela mamazi. Mzansi, hlukanani. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ubani igama?
Ngegama nguJabulisile.
Jabulisile.
Yebo.
Umjolo kwenzani mntakama?
Hayi umjolo awungihate, it's just that ungiceda amandla man.
Umjolo iskema ne?
Yo, wabona ke pandemic.
Ke pandemic.
Yo.
Umina uri ki pandemic uri ki covid.
Covid bile ka it's better than
Maropile leon, ropile thata.
It's way better than umjolo. Yo tla ukila umjolo bafethu like awutsebelo go tlo etsang. Yo. Hey man,
Bari mjolo ki pandemic, bari mjolo ki life sentence, bari mjolo mpolaye.
Hayi nna ke ga mjolo mpolaye, so ze ke ga mjolo mpolaye. Ke scam net nje.
Talk to me. Why usubizile and ubani lona othufuna ukudila naye?
Hey, short like now I've got this other boyfriend Lethabo ne.
Sure.
At first it was nice, but man, he's a sweet guy, down to earth, asimotabuanga holo mare. I feel as if I'm the one who intends to compromise in the relationship, wabo. And I didn't sharp eventually now because of I had to leave a lot of things for you, namare. Apart from that, then I don't see any efforts from Enabo.
So or you don't see any efforts or so forth. Mina biyang khwetsagalang.
Like you were born, and you got lena kilometer ho slay and so forth. Yeah.
Sure.
And because of the down to earth guy, people would even ask me more higher out. So I feel they disrespecting my man. So when I go out, get about old lady around him,
yeah.
Accommodate. Mara for call ish.
So if Majita Pakama in front of him, yena apakami.
Like I can see Borikitaring. It's my girlfriend. Come out like a cool guy, Mare. Apart from that, man, like at least they have one or people are asking me out and I have a mobile like
sure.
I can't about outfit wise is
yeah.
Marina for call like
so necessary in other words ubata rough rider.
I saw like rough rider, I feel like go blela or you even see like you can't make it flicky about the hair, but because of Gibona, about him accommodate or Bona Halore, we in the same level, get couple, Mare Ayana for I don't even now mind who are shopping at pyjama.
And Hanataba.
Lena Hanataba,
so when my sister ki ingo batlang go mo bolela yona the reason why o re bitsile as ang sakfuni ke ingo batlang go mo tshela
go rekisa mo batla it's ke sharp
so batla go mo bolela straight gore sa mo
ke sa mo batla
when o krele boyfriend enje
ka zanga ka tshojalo le wena wa ka go rata di
putso a ke re tshwantse gore o mbolele everything.
No, I didn't say that kwena tshojalo
no but you must tell me I'm asking
ka zanga ka tshojalo ska ibo ska botsekisa di etsang bo mare ka zanga ka tshojalo
so mara wena o tla o batla go ikrela boyfriend enje
maybe tlo ba betere guys ke tla ba sharp maybe no
o tinegile ne
so ke tinegile se ke le hantle you know when you compromise to that point whereby how I feel really need you go kalonela something I'm at that point.
Welcome my sister asafuna ucompromise afethu it's simfonele lithaba ne
yeah
jabulisile
yes
hello lithabo.
Sure.
Yes, you're speaking to King Ginger. Nginojabulisile lana singaphandle la epark. Ucela ukukhuluma nawe. Angazi noma usu rating.
Yes.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Sure.
I was ready for us. I'm happy for that. But Ushap, how do you feel ukuluza umuntu obusujole naye?
Sharp, stress. It's like guys sharp. Like you know when you feel I'm compromising, I'm doing a lot for Motoaka, but when I don't feel anything from Motoa, look up and then have phone. It's just that thing you're give me a person, but eventually there's nothing. I feel like next. I don't wanna lie.
Ish. So kimangu mo feelang no yan. So when Liana ligcinile ningkhuba.
It's been long. Luena. Why?
No, Giri, no. I have to understand at the end of the day because I am here to help you to break up with this person. But uto break up with this person and I don't know anything.
I said it's been long. How to get even when you ask her when no, I can't jwala. I can say
because ununa Liana ba go shela go pila ga.
Yeah, le teng le ena bona like
Mara so much it. So when you guy out saying the number of
I've never done that. So that's the thing again. By now, Grele wake up call people don't even mind who ask my girlfriend in front of me. Why so what does that mean?
Uzani.
So yeah, Wambona like down to earth, humble, didn't you?
Come this side, my brother. Jayam, how's it? Sharp. It's minika mangu King Ginger ne? Sure. So umamazi lana uyangitshela the way akuthanda ngakhona, another way omphethe kahle ngakhona, another way relationship yeni ihamba krene ngakhona. Wena ungathini oyincenye ngomuntu wakho?
Uyambona nawo umuntu onjani ngani personality yakhe nje yonke into nje ngaye nje.
Sure. And uphethe soft ne?
Angiphethe soft.
Yakuprotect ne?
Yonke into nje.
Perfect. Umamazi ukubizile yimfethu because kunezinto naye afuna ukuyiringa nawe yabo. So ngizocela ukuthi ummamele. Sisters, ungakhuluma konke.
Hi, hojwang.
Sharp.
Like sharp man. The reason why I keep taking Ginger Joe is this thing I can learn, you know. And I don't see it working or going any forward. And like self-feel Joe, like even when you call Sekitla when and Jeho, it's a favor, but the sake of it's a favor, Marai. No, Kisha.
Wow, Taleba to Tompla Leba to Satuliwan.
How Monalwana, you see how things are. Nikina Rotabona so far, there's nothing between us. Like, I don't even mind with like when I got pajama. What's that? Gonna go give my 5 months.
Leba to more.
Not something to tell you, man.
Yeah, and Arwena is the reason why actually rona because when I did mala tata, utarwa go blela go rasa go rata when bu didimala, wa didimala.
Njengoba alandewe noThembi.
No, ufuna ukutshela uzwe khona nami ngizokutshela ukuthi akasakufuni kanti wena uzwa imfethu.
Nyezwa alandewe.
Ukuthi akutshela ukuthi akasakufuni imtshele sister.
Akusawubadla like angisakufuni.
No wena utlale bathu tomplela nthiwe.
Because of lana go blela tsikiliwane it's going to be useless because utloetseka gawa utlo keep on calling texting sometimes go bona so vela momnyako wakho.
So the whole world must know now that.
No wena tsantsi utlele bathu.
I thought it was the best thing because I'm the one who's compromising apart from that.
Mtshele sister ukuthi weak.
Vela.
Oh sikili week.
No hasore weak no ma wena ha o bone wo le kae come wena o ikutla jang ha moshimane.
Tomplela mopela o tshego ke.
So autengwa ha etla tonshela ka mopela how do you feel about it?
Ekupe di number o le teng.
How do you feel about it?
Tla ke never ke feel gane.
So no sona why o sa tla o tlama go le teng o etsa ka re the big issue. Wa ga o
le batho no le motho o tleng le na wa etsa ka gona ntshwa tlo etsang gore something.
What do you mean Autam? What do you mean? Akakufuni.
Mawayaza nawo.
Yeah, because ufuna ukutshela nami, kumele kutshela nami khona uzozwa.
Kambani najola wena naye njengoba uzenayo.
But uzomthola omunye umuntu azotshela naye because uthi wena ugcine nini lo muntu kumtrapa mfethu.
Eish.
Seninesikhathi. Yawuza uthi eish. Pho manje yini inkinga uma sethi akasakufuni because kuyafanele bese ningasadlani ukuthi ayikho into ebeniyenza. Akasakufuni.
Yini wena uzomudla wena?
No ubekwenzela ifavor out yami. Usekuprotect isikhathi eside. Yena lo mntana ufila ngathi uyo ojola nawe wena ujoli naye. Ufila ngathi uwo akuprotectayo. Wena kumele akuprotect kuzo zonke lezi
Loyally dating I have to come baby Chloe let's go for ice cream dating and you don't even get.
Awusakwazi nanokuthi kumntwana akangafika egcoka amapijama kuwe akafika egcoke kahle. Wena usuthule nje.
Awubuza
ukuthi
week at this time
akushongo mina.
Manje wayatshela wena ngazi kimi straight azongitshela ukuthi.
Kade kutshela manje. Mtshele sister.
Like even when I come ka pajama when you even ask me why you still in your pajamas at this time. Ugezile njengabanye amantombazana for the day. You don't even ask, you don't care.
Yo.
Yeah.
Marelo wena no watlale batho no ka butlile kona ga bua kgante gore.
Because of you can communicate. Usually you just quiet nje.
Ke maketse go tsagala
that's why at least nna because ke batla go gontsha go le dumong mo leng lona wena
o tsaka o dikena wena
no o ntitsitse mo gore ke dikene a sa go batla braya ka a re wena o tsa mastera ga le tsamaya go tropong a re wena wow
manje wena ke lotse ka belelang batho tse
da motena
I ke go bampotsa what's the main reason gore be ke fitlha to this decision and why ke tlile go yena so le wena ke le explain
eno khathetse ngwana go ba singile ke ngwanyana o
vela ke singile jo like it's been like 3 months ke le singile
yes when last did you go down
obvious no ya beta nyana ngithi
oba no petayo between mina nawe
wow satle kona
no mara ke manga peta between
bani wena uyapeta mfethu wena uyapeta wena opeta
mpeta wena uthama uzigela ome kancane wena baby go tsagala
o tla sharp mothaka there's no us anymore ke tsebe bo baby lo bo mothaka ntse ke na
there's no
ujabulisa ome kancane uthama okay baby
there's no longer baby there's no longer honey go fedile it's done and dusted
danko
oh no ehlokani la lena untlela le batho mo batong
la
batsekisa batsebeng lo batseba mo
no tshantse ke tlele mali di parents tsa ke ke bona le bank happy at first ke tlo jola lwena
we o di ena na o khapila ka
the problem wa didimala
advice wa ke jola lwena at first re ke wetsetse so you know ke ya ko yena because of ke wa bona wa kry
ko wena la tsela batlano re letsang go tsagala
a tsaka tlogela go ntsenya go ditabeng tsa gago
ai ngata o tsam now ya mfuna
no yazi inkinga khona ushawa yini mfethu ushawa ukuthi go le dimong and awubahle go tshwa la. I wonder who's going to date you next. I wonder. Or when usuyajola lo mntana busumziba ngamabomu.
Angijoli.
Manje why wenzala nje?
Mari Hotman singitshele kwenzakala.
Thank you my brother, tell me.
Lencosi le inokambi isikhathi eside ngabuye endlini.
Yephi?
Indawo enzayo ngoba mina nginanex anginamali anginanex.
Don't be.
Please ngumuntu ophandayo mina.
Sure.
Yena hlezi unemali unokuphuma ezenzela izinto zakhe angangitsheli. Sakabuya bengimbuza kwenzakala nakangitsheli.
Athi wena uphandi. Athi uhlula.
Ngisazama ngithi.
Athi yena ufuna umuntu orough man. Mawumbamba ngathi uzomshaya kanti awumshaya uyamromansa. Athi wena weak usoft.
Utshela wena lezi zinto lezo. Shithi manje mina lokheniza kanje ngizongilanda lana lokhena plan.
Ngixoxela besingaplan ngithe akangitshele konke.
Akutshele konke.
Ya uyasho.
No people na oblela abathulutse so.
Akele jamqoqela go etsa la.
Umqoqela kani na ke sale.
Jalo ne ke tshantse ke ku wena bo teng ke ga o bolela wa o bolela.
A really sexy ke wena o itlogetseng gore le sa idira. A se yena o ganneng. Ke wena o give up ile ngo sexing because sharp wena go le dimong.
That's the reason I can always make plan we go out.
So ngathi uyamfuna lo mntana nawe ngathi uyamkhulumela.
I do things on my own. I spend my own money and le nna child yaka I do spend it on me.
Le nne ke phandile mara ke na o tla ko wena.
I'm tired of always spending my money on you because you don't do anything for yourself.
Mara le nne ke phandile ke na o tla ko wena ke tlo etsa dilo something.
Jalo ka eng?
Ke atla ko wena ko rekele something skipanyana.
Wena sa rekele wena skip o tlo rekela nna skip.
A ke nagana yona pedi. Because le nna ke letsa
dilo. When the one that made me like realize that we don't even see anything between us. The time that guy came and approached me kapla how. You only down to earth. I doubt Joseph Joseph from the Bible that thing. I doubt Judas.
Maruska dira example ka sihlatla se ba re ke Joseph from the Bible.
Wena Godman wena ngathi yini kwenzakalani?
Oh now su Joseph isihlatla.
Zingisihlatla ongangikhomi nokungikhomba kwenzakalani.
Angitshela ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoJoseph angikhulumi ngawe.
Mina ongangikhomi ngiyasho mina ngithi wena kwenzakalani ngawe ithi into yakho.
No awuthi mina ngizelana ukuthi umuntu wakho uzokutshela ukuthi asakufuni wena ngoba
wena soyazi ngene indaba ngathi ujola nawo khona into
uphakama wena intombi yakho beyishela phambi kwakho ayikho into engizoyikhuluma nawe musilokhu uphakamela mina la
wena inkinga yakho wena yini inkinga yakho wena
wa give up ukheavy sex nayo ngoba wawungako
wena yini inkinga yakho wena
no iyona engilethela
wena udila nama relationship wabantu
yebo le show igama layo angisakufuni and angisakufuni ngidila nabantu abazolahlwa njengawe
manje ke mina nyeka ngilahle ke phambi kwenu
ngitshele
mubulele khona so ngibatla bekere ke na le boyfriend
nayi boyfriend ke wena boyfriend athi
no ana yona no yana usingile
yikumkhulumela kanje
mfethu musungifaka mfethu endabeni zakho mfethu mina nginondlunkulu ngiyajola ngiright
manje wawuhlukanisa abantu
asikahlukani ngibanika iplatform yokuthi bahlukane
iplatform yani
sister mtshele lokuthi asamfuni
Lethabo uzwang hakisabatla whatever nakho
tosala lena motho
obviously I'm going
stop pointing the king bra akimuthu I'm your king here
hayi king yakupha ngikwazi nokwazi mfethu mina angikwazi nokukwazi
say my name
angeke ngilisho nokulisho angikwazi nokukwazi uphuma la uphuma khona uzana insayeza zami uzongitshela into omtshela yona
no akasakuthandi mfethu kwakuyinsayiza yakho akusaseyona 3 months ungawuphusha umzabalazo
sephelele insayeza yakho lenu
lidi chomi
na chomi next baby chomi le man
le friendship ake batle
3 months asaphusha umzabalazo
ke check rena se ka tla ka tlo dula nje it's a pity na ka sa ko phakeng
le jamantongomane
wena yakhuluma uyafakaza amantongomane amaskopasi uyamthengela amantongomane lawa amaskopasi lawa manje
ikwatisile lento uthi awusenantombi ne
uyanginyanyisa into zenzayo
ukwatile
into zenzayo
ungakhulumi nomuntu wakho
ngizokhuluma na ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe eqala ngicede into nawe
that's why I'm here for you to take it all out
ngikhiphe kanjani nawe tu aze nawe uzane uqale awuthenga ngomuntu namuntu obaluthisa leyo
rima out 1 2 3 rima out mara unibona
nsusu gore le kana wena ke ngire ntshwa wena ngicela batho ba kusabatsebeng
mo batla ke etseng
ngicela batho kusabatsebeng
it's like ibile ke atsiba ke qala bona today go khona lo performana the way performing
a ke go nkgetsile ntwananyana ke sa
Because
itsebeng
you
tse
always a slap tiger nje, always on a chill pill nje, a ke tsebe.
a ntle ke le yona ka re no so ntlwala gape
Mara
ntwa
ke
etsa ka ma
bua
outside
nnete.
le
mara bua nnete.
O bontsha di
o bua nnete yang
Oh sorry.
hayi ke lokuzigena man
Okay.
ngena indaba
bontsha
ezingakufuni
di-fact,
awumazi nalomntwana kanti umbona shuli nawe no awumazi nokumazi
Oh wena uyamazi.
dala ngemazi lo
Mara
muntu
una 3 months ungamthinti.
ungenapho wena ukuthi ngiyamthinta okanye ngimthinta
Uyakwata lo mntana naye udinga ukuthintwa
ungenapho
njengamantombazane.
wena uzomnika wena njengoba ukhuluma
No,
kanje
uthe uzoyithola in future i-out and uyayihalela.
shuthi uwe kokena uthathing ya future nyana
Ska wa ga wena ka future ya ka, just know hore whatever we had is done in that.
ntlali di khoganyana mona kana wa ntshosa
Asa go batla mara.
ke se score mona kana
And
la
nna-
Ka ba sietseng ka wena score.
no ntletse sona nna kana go sa ntshosa go etsa na ba utsama ngithusi
Nama ngithusi.
ngithusi
Yazi uzothuka.
angeke
Yazi uzothuka.
angithusi nawe insayeza yami le
No.
ngizovaya
Dala wena uzovaya ngeenyawo thina sovaya naye ngebhasi.
uva kanjani naye ngebhasi
Sifike
insayeza yami
naye.
uva kanjani
Sifike naye.
utotsamali bona
Amaskitile le bona.
jwang no tsamali ba thusa ba tsebeng
Awuthama uzosala lana
Ngisala
angicisize
kanye. Anye kuyibona.
Kuzamela wena.
anye kuyibone le
So why fancy kuzamela wena?
Sister, your last words before we leave
My last word is have a nice relationship whatever wherever I can show you.
Maybe
Did you have
create-
one
maybe create le
already?
hodimo le tshwanang le yena.
Maybe ukreile snail tortoise
o
nyana.
saletswa dikgoganyana tsago le bathunyana ba o tleng le bona ba ba sa leo motho magotlo a go ntshosi le bona o sale le
Yeah,
bona
ibile o kana wa tsamaya o tjaka wa bona so
ke
because
tsamaye jwang ke tsamaye jwang
kana wa tsamaya because no yana nna ke tla o dira gore o tsamaye.
ai o ntsamisa jwang gona etsa ezaka yi never kufai
Mona inili ke ex ya gago. Awuthaka vaya.
ezaka yi
Vaya.
awubongekho bengishela
Okay, sukuma ke situlweni sami. Esamphela lesitulo
Angizingeni.
angisafuni ukuhlala esitulweni sami. Sukuma uthi yami.
njami ngize kuntsa ezaka
Ngizokusukumisa phela mina.
ngeke
Eh?
ngizokuntsa ezaka
Tiny pe.
pe
Look up. Famba moyeni wena. Famba moyeni. Famba moyeni. Le emfuleni. Famba moyeni. Famba moyeni wena. Wayikiboy. Indaba mangikhuluma nawe uqoloza wena. Qomisa ngeqolo phansi wena ngijwayela kabi. Uqali ngifaka emfuleni wena. Ngifaka emfuleni mina. Kufaka emanzini. Miyeke welcome. Miyeke welcome ngomfaki. Phose emanzini no bloody bossos. No bossos. Awusena ntombi. Akuyekeleni ngeke. Ushimane yezwa. Wena. Kanti yakwazi ukukhuluma wena. Kanti yakwazi ukukhuluma. Intombi yakho ithe wena awukwazi ukukhuluma. Intombi yakho ithe wena awukhulumi. You are a silent partner. Intombi yakho ithe we silent partner. Silent partner.
ubheke bakangiyeka lo muntu
Uzokwenzani? Yazi ngikhalela ukuqinisa lapha etanyeni. Uthuthwa uthuswa yini? Uthuswa yini?
ngiyekele wawungafuna isibambane mina nawe
Ya. Thula okungcono. Silent
Yazi nami
partner.
awuthunyana wakho
Miyeke
angekho.
asambe. Haw. Ya. Anganyakazi lo ngigqomisa ngeqolo phansi. Haw. Siswami ungathuki bekukuningi bengisazomenza kona ngamiyeka. Haw. Dila nayo le ndoda yakho mina. Bekumningi bengisazokubenza kona. Kodwa ngithe welcome akamqomise ngeimpama lapha mhlabe noma ngo3 nje. Wejep uzizwe nje obuhlweni le ndoda yakho.
Yo, ke relieved shame I'm going to be okay.
Uyakwazi ukukhuluma kuyona silent
How
partner.
did you check it? It's my first time seeing him like
Womuntu
this.
ula wabhogola mole ke mulahlela kometsing.
Yo, ke surprised. Mara ke happy at the end of the day.
Welcome.
Happy.
Welcome. Miyeke los. Bozos. Haw. Sukuma sisi. Hamba welcome. Uzokufaka ebhasini siyeza manje.
Thank you.
King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Mawukuthi mina unenkinga ngenza sure ukuthi ngiyakuqondisa mina. Angidlali kanjalo. Ufanele unamathisa edamini lapha ngiqede ngayo. King Ginger Cream de la Cream angisakufuni le. Asidlali. Siyahlukana. Khuluma ama silent partner namhlanje. Indoda ekuthiwa ibe silent for 3 months ithi namhlanje iyakwazi ukubhebha yona. Take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi mtimanje umabuyo bambolunye uhlasi. Welcome to Alibisako Full. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No my sister manje sekuyifene nayo efonini kubanje sicebe besiseshe
imizwa isishintshile like towards you.
What made you go to why the people why the ayengiyasho ukuthi iBhayibheli lishisa mkhulu hayi no ayengiyasho kuyasho ukuthi iBhayibheli lishisa inkinga usekhathele isenge